There are 4 times as many monkeys as gorillas in a zoo. Given that each monkey receives 5 bananas and each gorilla receives 7 bananas, and a total of 405 bananas are given out, how many monkeys are there in this zoo? Now, in order to do this question, we need to realize that in a group of 4 monkeys, there will be 1 gorilla. Alright, so take a pencil, you can draw this out. When you have 4 monkeys, there will be 1 gorilla. Of course, in this zoo, there may be more than one of these groups. Okay, there will be multiple of it. But in each group, 4 monkeys, 1 gorilla. Why is that so? Because there are 4 times as many monkeys as gorillas. Now, in this particular group of 4 monkeys and 1 gorilla, how many bananas will be given out? Just in this one group alone. Let's investigate. 4 monkeys, each of them will be getting 5 each. 1 gorilla is eating a little bit more, 7 each. So in total, in one group, they will be getting 27 bananas. So what we can do is to find the number of such groups. This will be 405 bananas in total, right? Each group 27. So how many groups will there be? $15 groups. Alright. So how many monkeys are there, friends? There will be 15 groups. In each group there's 4 monkeys. So number of monkeys will be 15 times 4. Answer is 16 monkeys. Let's do a quick check. Okay, see, there are 4 times as many monkeys as gorillas. So check how many gorillas will there be. Short form G for gorillas, they will be 60 divided by 4. There will be 15 gorillas. Number of bananas eaten by the gorillas, 15 times 7. 105. Bananas eaten by the 60 monkeys, 60 times 5. 300. When you add these two up, indeed, we will get the total number of bananas given out, 405, which means that our answer of 60 monkeys is ding ding correct.